Hey guys, so I decided to go out to lunch here and instead of cooking and all that stuff and grab some lunch. So I went to the old DQ Dairy Queen, and I imagine you got Dairy Queen in the States and Australia and everywhere else in the world. So I decided to pick me up a FlameThrower. I'm not sure which is which here. And the other one is just simply I guess it's just a bacon cheeseburger. And for a side order, I got some poutine. Now, for those of you that don't know what poutine is, it's kind of a Canadian thing up here in the Great White North, eh? And it's just, I'll show you here in a second, it's just a matter of some fries topped off with some gravy and some cheese curds. And cheese curds are kind of just a byproduct of the cheese, but they're really good. You usually buy them in a small bag at the store. I don't know if you get them in the States or Australia or anything like that. Maybe you can let me know in the comment section below. But the price, like it was just for these two burgers and the poutine, it was still like 23 bucks. So that's still pretty expensive. And in terms of condiments, I guess you got asked for it at the window because she didn't give me anything, but I got a fork, plastic fork, and I got some serviettes. So let's have a look at this poutine and see what it's like here. Okay, just crack the old top off here, and like I say, it's just a matter of some gravy and then the cheese curds, which are melted down, and some fries. It's kind of a soggy dish, but it is really good. Like the old saying goes, a fattening, but oh, so good. And these are kind of, see if I can pull one out here. Yeah, that's a cheese curd right there. And they come there, when they actually come, they're kind of, I don't know, for lack of a better word, they're kind of slimy-ish when they're in the bag, but they are good and salty. So that's poutine, French Canadian, eh? So, gonna have some poutine, and let's open the first burger here. Just something like that. Maybe I can pull this out and have a look. But it's pretty loaded down. I mean, you got your pickles and you got your lettuce. And the one thing I do like about DQ is flame broiled or over an open flame, so that's pretty good. Not like McDonald's where it's just stuck on the grill. So let's open this up and see what we got. Now, by the way, this is the bacon cheeseburger, and we'll just open this up. Of course, I got a sauce. I assume it's kind of a mayo sauce in there, and like I said, your shredded lettuce, and you probably know this. You've probably been to DQ. Fresh tomato, which I kind of really like, and a fresh onion. So anyway, and the burger down below there. And the bun doesn't look too bad, so I'm just going to try and cut into this and get a side view of it. And I'll just crack this open. It doesn't look too bad. And again, you know, that's the cheeseburger. So we'll give that a try here in a second. And the next one is the FlameThrower, I believe they call it. And just yank this puppy out of there and see what it's like. Again, it's fairly thick. What do they got on here? Oh, again, I guess we got kind of like the same thing. I'm not sure what the difference is besides the sauce here. So let's just lay this down and put the top on it. Or pull the top off it, I should say. And again, kind of the same thing, the shredded lettuce, fresh tomato, and looks like some ham or bacon or something on there. Maybe that's mozzarella. So this must be maybe I got these mixed up. Maybe this is the double cheeseburger and the other one was the FlameThrower. Whichever, we'll see. I think this is the double cheeseburger. No, I think this one's the FlameThrower and the other one was the cheeseburger. So yeah, so I got this right now. They don't tag these things, I don't know. Okay, so let's put the top on and then we'll give this a cut. By the way, I just tasted some of that sauce I got on my hands, and I see what they call a FlameThrower. It is a hot sauce. And again, this looks pretty good. So we'll see what she tastes like. So I'm going to grab up the old FlameThrower here and give this a taste. All right. Actually quite good. Like I said, the sauce is quite hot. Really hot, but the patty is good. I don't know. Kind of a burger I can taste like it's been done on the grill. You know, different from McDonald's or stuff like that, but it's pretty good. So remember that. That's the FlameThrower from DQ. Okay, So next, we're going to try the cheeseburger. See if we can taste a whole lot of difference here. Got a serviette here. This is quite good. You know, I think the cheeseburger has a little bit more flavor to it than the FlameThrower. I don't know. I just think the hot sauce kind of overrides the taste of the burger, but I like this. If I had my preference, I would take the double cheeseburger, or the cheeseburger, whatever it is, as opposed to the FlameThrower. So, now it's time for the poutine. So I'm just going to grab some of this poutine up here, and we'll just see what we can get. Oops. See that ooey gooey cheese curds in there? I don't know, I just love cheese curds. I used to eat them all the time when I was a kid. They're just so good. It is poutine, and the thing with poutine is it's all in the gravy. If you got a good gravy and you got real cheese curds, the poutine is really, really good. And this is not bad. I mean, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10 or something like that. You go to Quebec, the poutine is in some places exceptional. So again, we got the poutine, the FlameThrower, and the double cheeseburger. I like the poutine, and I would go with the double cheeseburger. FlameThrower is not bad. So if you decide to eat at DQ, it's pretty good. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to eat the rest of this and have my lunch. But one thing I am going to ask, drop me a comment below, and if you go to DQ, let me know what your favorite thing on the menu is at DQ. Be really curious to know. So anyway, I'm going to have lunch, and thanks for watching. Again, see you next time, guys.